am going to tell you how my team of 3 is able to save you all kinds of money in Detroit if you are a real estate investor. If you are looking to sell properties or if you are looking to buy investment properties in Detroit. So I'm Monique Burns, and my husband Pat and I have been buying houses in Detroit since 2007 when they were really priced low. And we built up our own portfolio of what we call buy and hold properties. We have mostly Section 8 tenants. It's gone absolutely great for us. In 2015, we did 2 things. We started a property management company, but the only reason that we started it was because we were flipping houses. We were buying distressed properties, we were renovating them, and then we were selling them to investors. We had that property management company for 5 years, and we sold it, and now we're just working on flipping houses. And because the prices in Detroit have appreciated so much, it's better for us, Pat and I, to buy distressed properties and sell to homeowners. But there's still lots of great properties out there for sale for investors. What it is that we do, we're not like a typical real estate agent. Like, let's say you called me and said, Monique, I need you to find me a house for sale in Detroit. I'm really good on the computer end. I know about deeds. I know about Section 8. I know a lot of stuff that I can do from my desktop. What I don't know is if I were to walk through the house, I would be like, well, this one kind of stinks, and this one just needs paint. I mean, I don't really know the construction end, and I didn't grow up in Detroit. My husband did, though, and my husband has renovated over 300 houses, which means he has been through multiple city and Section 8 inspections. He knows what they're looking for, and we had a property management company, so we know what kind of tenants perform and which kinds look out for if you were to say, saying buying a house with a tenant in it. So we do a service between the two of us where Pat will be a personal shopper for people, and he will go into the property and check it out. Check out the neighborhood, check out the street, the block, the tenant, and then he walks through and he's determining what is going to be called out on the next Section 8 or city inspection, what he feels the tenant is going to be like. And a lot of our investors are good with this. It's $250. They're like, that's a deal. I got an expert to walk through for me. Other investors are like, no, I really want the other inspection where they climb up on the roof and stuff. They'll get that after it's passed his inspection. It's great. It's really good person. It's really good personal shopping that you wouldn't get if you were to say, just use me. Well, another part, I said there's a team of 3. So another thing that happens in Detroit, there are a lot of unscrupulous people. I hate to badmouth people, but there are a lot of unscrupulous property managers, a lot of agents, and agents are just after their commission. I've been doing this a long time. I'm after my reputation, because I have a lot of off-market properties that I can offer you because I have connections. When it comes to the property management end, I told you I sold my property management company, and it got really hard selling houses because I couldn't find property managers that I could trust. So Pat and I actually trained someone, Andrew is his name, to do property management in a really ethical way that works for everyone. And it has been fantastic. He's been doing this for about 2 years. He's built up a nice portfolio. His clients are all very happy. I would hear about it if they're not. His clients are happy. They are repeat buyers. If you work with us, you get the team of all 3 of us working together on your properties. I mean, unless you have your own property manager already or something. But I want to tell you what we do for sellers, and that has to do with this video coming up. This was a seller. He had a large portfolio, and I was able, through my connections, to find him one buyer for this whole portfolio. Sold the whole portfolio. In the process, it takes time when it's that many houses. In the process, one of his houses went vacant. He's like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? And he's an out-of-state investor, and he was self-managing. And he knew if he called me to be his agent, that along with that comes Pat, my husband. So our crew went in and did the turnover on this house, and it really, really helped the sale. And there was also a Section 8 inspection, and it was our expertise showing him, like, how to avoid this really big problem and end up in an abatement where it's actually, it stops paying, because we've done this for years. We know how this stuff works. And so we were able to help him with that, and it worked out just fantastic. So if you do want to work with us, the best way to reach me is by email, or you could contact, if you want to talk to me, you can contact me using Calendly, and we can set up a time to talk to each other. Oh, wait, I always forget this part. It helps me tremendously if you subscribe. Every Saturday, I offer information which is meant to teach you different things to help you save money if you are an investor in Detroit. And it's helpful to me if you just push subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when my videos come out, make a comment, it really helps my algorithm. Thank you so much. So let's check out how beautifully this house turned out. Let's check it out.
All right, here we are. 20429 Monte Vista. Did just a tenant turnover here. Walk through, take a quick look. Hardwood floors. Dining room right off the living room and kitchen. The living room. Hardwood floors. We painted everything. New blinds. Nice little bay window area there. Down the hallway. Installed a new closet door there. Put new carpet in through the bedrooms and hallway. Bathroom. Put in a new toilet. New vanity. Cleaned the bathroom. This one looks really good. Original tiles. Just the black and white. Looks good. Bedroom number 1. New blinds, new paint. 10-year smoke detector up there. Bedroom number 2. New blinds, new paint. New 10-year smoke and carbon. New closet doors there. Bedroom number 3. New blinds, new paint. Closet. New 10-year smoke there. 10-year smoke carbon there. Kitchen, LVP on the floor. Cabinets, clean those up, got those all going right. Stove there, there's a microwave here that works. Down the basement, new carpet on the steps. Nice basement, really nice clean basement. We installed all new plumbing here. Somebody had stolen it at the meter all the way through, so we installed new plumbing throughout. Put in a new plumbing there, a new faucet, utility sink, mounted it to the floor. Electric dryer here. Panel here has been updated, that's all good. Other side, furnace, water heater will go right here. When we're ready for a tenant, new furnace will go there. Good space down here though to set up something. That's it. 20429 Monte Vista.